77% stabilized on the volcanoes. You can be a stabilizing force where you live. I do that here. This is one of our nicest Octobers on record. Normally it's snowing and freezing by now. We haven't had snow, and I think it may have freezed one night. Maybe not, it didn't even freeze here. It's 55 out right now. Last year, we had record lows. I think it was 8 degrees was the high a few days ago in November. And it was 70 that day. So I'm taking this beautiful fall, and what am I doing? I'm working to stabilize the climate here. So it's not so wishy-washy. They say that we get whiplash here because it'll be 80 and then it will go to 0 degrees within a couple hours. Very hard on the plants and beings who live here to have mass instability. 50 one day, 20 below the next.